Many tasks in continuous casting are performed close to liquid steel, either in the ladle area and the tundish area. To avoid any risks to human labor, robotic systems have been deployed to automate these tasks, increasing safety and bringing the concept of unmanned casting ever closer. Because of this technology, tasks are initiated remotely. Operators can work from a safe distance, away from hazardous liquid steel. Automated tasks take place near the ladle and tundish area. The robotic arm can now automatically mount the slide gate cylinder in the ladle area, with no humans needed nearby. The robot also handles all necessary media connections on the ladle, including pneumatics for slide gate cooling, argon sealing, and electrical signals for the slag detection system. In the tundish area, the robotic system performs a total of 8 automated tasks. It carries out shroud manipulation and cleaning, feeds tundish powder, performs measurements, different kinds of sampling, and oxygen lancing. Automatic shroud manipulation is the most critical task. A 3D camera system enables the robotic arm to fully automate shroud removal and mounting by adapting to the ladle's exact position, providing a safer and superior alternative to semi-automatic methods. The innovative bayonet coupling ensures that the ladle turret has no rigid connections during casting, which greatly facilitates emergency turning of the turret. If a new ladle fails to open easily, the fully automatic opening system can resolve the issue, safely eliminating the need for human intervention in a hazardous environment. Feeding tundish powder is another task that can be fully automated due to its hazardous nature. The robotic arm efficiently feeds up to 90 kilograms of powder, a single shovel's worth, across several positions on the tundish. The system includes a large silo capable of holding several tons of material. Finally, the robot greatly facilitates sampling and increases measurement precision. Equipped with a custom tool changer, the single robot arm handles shroud manipulation and also performs various probe operations, such as measuring temperature and hydrogen content. This tireless, versatile system enhances safety, productivity, and data quality in continuous casting. Manufacturing technology is versatile knowledge area. So, don't miss the next video to learn more. And if you found this lesson useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more manufacturing videos. Goodbye.